Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so very glad that you clicked on this video today to join me in bringing you some amazing content. So as you can see by the title, this is a no talking video, but obviously I needed to do an intro, so I have to talk. But yes, I literally just walked in the house about 10 minutes ago from the airport. Yeah, I was gone since last week, Tuesday morning, but I definitely want to get back on schedule, so I just wanted to take you guys along with that. So yeah, besides this little portion of talking, I won't for the rest of the video, but I really do hope that you guys enjoy. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit your notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's jump straight into my, I guess you could say, weekly reset video. Enjoy, guys.